Assalamu alaikum. Our English first paper of class 10 is being continued. Last class we started on model question entitled in our syllabus. As our whole textbook already has been completed, so solving model question is our chief task now. I believe that well begun is half done. Our first class was briefed over one passage and question number 1 following it. As in the beginning class, we have captured the theme of the passage, so now we have been fully acknowledged about the story. So half done of the job already has been done. Okay. Part A, reading test, marks 50. Now our next step is to attempt at question number 2. You know, in question number 2, we find question answer. Many of you think that question answer procedure is very easy. Just read the passage and directly quote the sentences from it. No, it's not fair. You have to be systematic and organized. As question answer consists 10 marks, so minded that your answer would be meaningful, accurate, constructive, and overall brief. That means answer will be short, not too elaborated, and also minded that it should be decorated. Okay, here are the 5 questions. Question number A. What did Portia say when Shylock handed the bond to her? Look at the question again. What were the delivering words of Portia when Shylock handed the bond to her? Yeah, go back to the passage. Look again. After getting the bond, Portia had gone through the bond attentively and said that you are right, Shylock, the law is on your side. You can claim the flesh, and also requested him to accept the money offered by Bassanio. Okay, we should not directly quote from the passage. So in fine, we can answer in this way that when Shylock handed the bond to Portia, Portia supported him, saying that the law was in favor of him, so he was allowed now to cut flesh from Antonio's body, and also requested him to accept offered money from Bassanio. Okay, next question number B. How did Shylock react on hearing, "Get ready, Antonio, for Shylock to cut his pound of flesh. The law gives it to him." Okay, look at the passage. It is clearly mentioned here. Shylock was filled with joy on hearing what Portia said. He began to praise Portia in disguise for her wisdom and righteousness. He cried out, etc., etc. Okay, so now we shall decorate the answer in our way that would be brief and accurate. So we can write the answer is Shylock turned to a joyous mood, or he became very happy and delighted, and started to appreciate Portia highly on hearing her quoted dialogue above. Okay, number C. What was Portia's final verdict? First of all, you have to know the meaning of verdict. Do you know? What does it mean? Verdict means judgment or finding or decision. Question is, what is Portia's final verdict? Okay, look over the passage again. Start reading from second para, third line. Look here, written. Wait a second, Shylock. Never forget, there is no mention of blood in the bond. Therefore, you cannot shed a single drop of blood while you cut your pound of flesh, or else you pay the penalty, and the penalty is etc. etc. In answer, you will just write that as being supported by Portia, when Shylock was about to cut Antonio's flesh, Portia told her final verdict that if Bassanio cut Antonio's flesh, he couldn't shed a single drop of blood because there is no mention of blood in the bond. Okay, question number D. What was Shylock's realization when he heard the final verdict? Okay, go back to the passage. Start from the penalty again and the penalty is the state will take his property from him and he will lose everything that he has now. Okay, so answer would be that when Shylock heard the final verdict, he realized that it was impossible to cut flesh without shedding blood. He had lost his illegal power by the wise lawyer disguised in Portia. Then it was the time to surrender. Okay, last question, question number E. Do you support that Portia was really wise? Give reason in 2 or 3 sentences. If you keenly look at the Portia's dialogue, wait a second, Shylock, never forget there is no mention of blood in the bond. Therefore, you cannot shed a single drop of blood while you cut your pound of flesh, or else you pay the penalty, and etc. etc. You can guess that how much quick intelligence Portia possesses. Her present wit and instant merit rejoices audience's mind. By her assertion, she showed her wisdom. So the answer will be that yes, Portia was really wise because she pointed her finger to the bond, showing that here was no mention of blood without shedding of which Bassanio could cut a pound of flesh. This definitely proved that she had present wit and talent. In this way, you will find out your answer from the passage. Now I like to conclude saying that question answer procedure is obviously okay. So just go through a systematic way and follow my all instructions. Marks must be 10 out of 10 inshallah.